Good morning, good morning. It is Friday, May 16th, I think it is. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what I planted out. And I'm done for the day. I got a lot of work to do inside. All these bracelets to make and waist beads and um, anklets. Yeah, those are the things I got to work on today. So, but I had to come out here and get a few things done. And let's talk about what's going on in my garden. Ready? Okay, these are all my little seed trays, and I took the heating tops off and they are starting to come up. Look like I might get some little straggler beets there. Cantaloupe, watermelon, chamomile. Nothing happened with the cumin. Um, Nothing happened with the carrots, and there's some basil and Roma tomatoes and cherry tomatoes, which I want to get into some pots quick in a hurry. I had to put down some diatomaceous earth because I'm finding all of these bugs in my soil. Gnats, I'll say, not bugs, and they were just devouring my little babies, seedlings, because I guess because it was so moist from the heat and the covers on top. So that's what happened with that. I did harvest some lettuce yesterday, and as you can see, new lettuce is coming up. That's it on here. I don't want to talk about anything. Oh, the cilantro too. I harvested that and I put some more seeds in. Oh, I laid down some more seeds. I have some dried chilies in the house, and when I shook them they had seeds in them, so I soaked them overnight and put them in soil. I don't know if I'm going to get anything, but that's what I did. And it's pasilla chili and New Mexican chilies, so those are the seeds I put in there. I put in some cherries, plum cherries. I think I had about 7 seeds left, and I put them in that tray. Then I'll go to the little hoop house and show you what I did there. There's another lettuce bowl. Strawberries everywhere. I put strawberries down. Ooh, look at that baby. It's looking beautiful. Beautiful. That's medicinal. And it's called coneflower, or purple coneflowers. And every part of that is medicinal. Excellent, excellent. The sage, same thing. Nothing came up on the lavender yet. Peppermint's looking good. Okay, now we're going in the little, here these it's either falcons or, I don't know what it is. Falcons or, no, that's not it. It's really loud. Vultures, I don't know what they are. But anyway, last night I had to I sprayed everything with that clay. I don't think the clay was thick enough. And of course I came out this morning and did my searching for nasty slugs. I didn't see but a couple, so that was a good thing. And in here I'm seeing them. There they go. Here we go. Look at that. Okay, we're about to get those babies right now because they are tearing my pepper plants up. So let's spray that real quick. Okay, I sprayed down those bags and those little nasty slugs, and I did pull up flip the other bags, and there were slugs under there as well. Starting to see peppers come up on those banana plants. I'm not sure if one is a banana, it looks like, and one is a green pepper, and it already looks like it's been attacked by slugs as well. That's okay, they'll keep growing all summer, I hope. Eggplant looking good. Basil, I see some bites on my basil as well, but it looks good. Looks nice and healthy. Okay. The zucchini I told you guys in the last video, I really want to separate it. Its trellises, it's starting to let out its little wands, so it could be trellis. Beets, everything else looks pretty decent. What I put in this morning is I put some bush beans. I soaked all of these seeds overnight, and I got my bush beans growing here. And let me bring the other ones in that I did. Tomatoes is starting to come up. Look at that, guys. I know I'm all over the place. Forgive me, guys, but I get excited when I get out here in this garden. Oh, there's so much to talk about. Yeah, tomatoes everywhere. I don't know if I should separate that cantaloupe. I'm gonna have to. I was gonna leave it and then try to trellis it up, but I'm not sure. What you guys think? Should I trellis up this cantaloupe? Put it up against a fence and just trellis it? I'm thinking about that. Some cow, what's that cow thing? The cow fencing. That little black thing, I swear he will not get out. He been in here for a couple of days. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's a little bug. But a butterfly came in yesterday. Got on, was, oh, I had such a time trying to get it out because it'll lay its little eggs on you know, and when they hatch, they'll eat those leaves up. Ooh. Okay, let me show you the other 3 things I got, and then I'll be done for the day. I put some watermelon seeds in. I'm just gonna sit these over here. And I put some more, no, I did not more, but I put some cucumber seeds in, and I'm gonna sit them up. I'm gonna put another little shelf up right there because I can check my bags better when they're sitting up on stuff. Like flipping them over, you can see. Oh, that thing makes me mad. You can see all of what you need to see. Bugs and nasties and stuff like that. And I put some peas in here. Dwarf gray peas. And those are bush beans, so I'm not going to have to do anything with them when they come up. Maybe like separate them, maybe. I think I put like 6 in that one. 2 in each little hole in the big one. And then I think I just put 2 in there. So that's all I did this morning. I'm done. It's about, what, 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock? I don't know. I want to get out here early because it's so hot and the mosquitoes. We had a really big wind last night and knocked over my Confederate jasmine. Oh! I don't know if that was an eagle, but all those things make me so mad. That's why I carry my knife with me, because I'm scared they're going to attack my dogs. They sit on the fence, look like they be casing me. Casing my yard. See frog poop, so there's frogs out here this morning. And that's the only other thing I'm gonna do. Oh, I did screen in I just put a screen, the one I took off of the umbrella, and I just put that screening over my strawberries. And as you can see, strawberries are coming in. And we've been picking these strawberries left and right, left and right. All I'm doing is freeze them so I can juice them. So that's cool. I'm happy. So happy about that. Sorry, y'all. It's early in the morning. And this asparagus not looking so hot. And these I'm going to pull up because I told you they're invasive and I didn't plant them there. So they just popped up. They were in bricks surrounding the back of this little thing right here. And of course they spread out and started growing on the inside, so I got to remove those. And that's it. I'm so proud of my willow. Look at my willow. I grew that from a baby. It needs to be in the ground so it can grow. This chaseberry is starting to produce little buds. I'm not trying to focus, guys, but it don't want to focus. But yeah, starting to produce little seeds. I just take the old ones, pull them off, and I just throw them in there because they're not, the medicinal value of them is nothing once they get like that. So I like them. I like fresh, and I just throw them in there. Once I pull them off, throw them in there. Okay, so that's it on this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to throw a little bit of soil on top. and that needs to go in the ground too. This I've carried with me. I probably had about 10 years. And it was at my last place, and I was there 10 years. And then here, I've been here 3 years now, so 13. That makes that 13, right? Oh, can't add. But that's it, you guys. I'm going to continue to lay down my cardboard and my mulch on top of it. Pick up my Confederate jasmines over there. And something I'm missing I didn't show you guys that I put in. I'm thinking okra. There you go. I forgot to show you guys. I put in 2 things of okra. Now I'm going to put that little table back there and put all of those things on the table. So I got 2 things of okra there. And the okra, like I said, I'm going to put, once I change this netting out on this thing, I'll tell you guys about that later, but I'm going to put these bricks in a row, and I'm just going to fill them with okras. So hopefully the okras will go there, and I might fill something here. I don't know yet, but I'm only one person. But that's what I did this morning, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And it's coming along. It takes time, and I got a lot of cleanup to do. I got a lot of everything to do. So I will see you guys on the next video, and I wish you love and light. And remember, a seed a day will give you a bountiful harvest. Peace.